Do you think 12 million Vietnamese dong is just a party or a new gadget? Wrong. You just unknowingly stole 14 billion Vietnamese dong from your future self, right out of your own pocket. Most people give up before the real magic happens. There's a secret crossover point, where your money starts making money faster than you do. Do you have the patience to become rich? Imagine you're 25, facing stacks of bills, rent, car payments, friends' weddings. Finding just $500 a month feels impossible, a huge sacrifice amidst everyday expenses. That $500 isn't abstract. It's a choice between instant consumption versus future growth. Today, we'll unveil how that difficult decision can transform your financial landscape profoundly. After just 1 year, consistently saving $500, your account will reach $6,400. The profit might not seem impressive yet, but the most crucial step is building this habit. This consistent monthly contribution, this discipline, is the true bedrock of your wealth. It's like planting a tiny seed. Initial growth is slow, but potential is immense. Here, your profits truly begin working for you, instead of just your labor alone. This is a pivotal shift in your mindset. Understanding how your money creates more. Each dollar saved acts as a tiny employee, tirelessly generating more wealth for you. By year 5, you've established a solid financial foundation. This is just the beginning. The power of consistent action, even small, now starts to compound significantly. Welcome to year 10, the incredible crossover point. Your account hits the $100,000 milestone. This is where your annual profit generated is now greater than your $6,000 yearly contribution. Your money is truly making more money than you're putting in. A momentous achievement. This is the point where the snowball effect truly takes over, gathering momentum quickly. Each turn, your wealth grows exponentially, powered by the market's contributions. Compound interest is truly the eighth wonder of the world. It begins to work for you. This shift empowers you. Your future self is now truly benefiting from your early discipline. Inspiring to see the power of starting small. This is where many lose heart. But once you hit this crossover, the journey feels less like a struggle, more like a glide. Embrace this milestone. It's proof that patience and discipline truly pay off immensely. Hold on tight. Now we're at year 20. Your account balance explodes to around $312,000. This is where compound interest truly dominates. It's an unstoppable force, isn't it? Your planted seed has become a giant, flourishing tree. Its fruits are abundant now. The growth isn't linear anymore. It's exponential, a true testament to financial patience. This is the reward for not giving up when the initial returns seemed small or slow. The difference between linear and exponential growth becomes starkly apparent here. Your wealth is now working harder for you than you are working for your wealth. And finally, year 30. Your total assets skyrocket to an astonishing $567,000. Out of this, your principal contribution is just $180,000. Look at the market's gift. An incredible $387,000 is purely the market working for you. A truly astounding figure. This isn't just luck. It's a direct result of unwavering financial discipline and patience. The power of time, consistency, and compound interest, unleashed over 30 years. Your future self, at 55, now thanks your 25-year-old self for those early choices. A legacy of financial freedom, built brick by brick, dollar by dollar, over decades. From a mere $500 monthly to a formidable $500,000 fortune, the journey is complete. And this isn't just about money. It's about vision, sacrifice, and incredible foresight. It shows that even modest beginnings, with consistent effort, lead to extraordinary outcomes. This powerful financial engine, once set in motion, works relentlessly for you. It requires belief in the long game. Even when results aren't immediately visible, the universe of possibilities opens up when you commit to this long-term financial strategy. Now, let's talk about the psychological lesson. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a financial strategy. The market doesn't reward the smartest investor. It rewards the most patient ones. Impatience leads to impulsive decisions, often derailing long-term growth and success. Staying calm amidst market volatility is crucial. Stick to your plan and trust the process. It's the consistent drips over time, not a sudden flood, that fill the bucket of wealth. This simple truth is often overlooked in our instant gratification society, isn't it? Your journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself wisely. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't let short-term fluctuations deter you. Time is your greatest ally in this endeavor. Allow it to work its magic for you. Remember the $500 monthly decision? It's not just money. It's a commitment to yourself. Every month, you're sending a powerful gift to your future self, building a stronger tomorrow. Small, consistent actions accumulate into insurmountable wealth over decades. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and stay disciplined. The results will amaze you. Your financial freedom isn't a dream. It's an achievable reality with these simple principles. You hold the key to unlocking your own wealth. The power is truly within your grasp. Don't let short-term desires steal your long-term prosperity. Make the choice today. Turn that $500 monthly into a powerful financial engine. Start your journey now. The path is clear. What will you choose for your future self? The decision is yours. Begin your journey today. Your future self will undoubtedly thank you for it greatly.